Hello, good morning. Somanuke welcome Grace. Nagaland Police Constable Garne recruitment contact kura laka opode Naga Student Federations Canberra Home Department arrested government ge kushi ba laka janashe. Deserving Naga youth can get employment opportunity create kurigana police force de long standing vacancy laga opor de address kura karne federations kambra kushiba laga acknowledgement janashe federation bra biswas kura doile governance institution de public confidence ensure kuribo karne tagat thaka professional aro well equipped police doile important ase goshe present recruitment process doile ekta significant step ekta ase goshe federations bra aro goshe ki entire recruitment process de transparent aro fairness aro accountability doile thakibo lage goshe sub selection stage de merit pa lobo lage favorism nepotism aro undue influence pan hoi kana deserving aro qualified candidate ke dibo lage goshe federation bra home department ke recruitment process doile time tia nishna complete kurubole laga janasha federation bra haru gushe ke justice fairness aro transparency karne tagan hodai observe kuri thakibo gusha Nagaland police kan bra constable candidate kan ge hushar bra thakibole laga janasha kumba manu bra chidi exam noile written ge modap kuri dibo aro selection ge modap kuri dia karne boisa demand kan kuribo edu kan ge biswas nokuribi gusha Nagaland police kan doile examination fees 300 ekla hi lui gushe edu laga alak dusra doile iku poisa no lui kwa laga janashe Eastern Nagaland Myanmar side te NSN ke angmai aro yungang group laga machote laga lagi hwa opor de naga political group laga leaders kan bra NSN ke kan ge sandi thakibole laga janashe trusted de leaders kan statement de janai dishike naga kan do hele violent do peace experience kuri gana ahishi goshe bloodshed bra naga struggle do kumjuri kurishe aro itia do ele idu laga anthera bra olai jabo lage goshe aji naga khan sobse challenging dangor face kura do hele external force noigena internal division bi ase goshe naga group laga machote ekjon bra dangor hi lobole munja bra manu laga life bloodshed aro resources bishi harai ja laga bi dikhishe goshe chidi ami khan itia bra itu to rokhanai goshe gole do same circle doile aro continue hobo goshe leaders kan ba remind green goshe ke naga majodi hi jagara gora doile continue jai thakile do kudi doile kun bra bi harvest korobole naparibo goina janashe Sugaden aha karne jungle kan de choi ola bole laga high chances thakia karne additional deputy commissioner Mizivi Mabra forest area osode thakia aro surrounding landscape te thakia manu kan ge choi ola bole laga bra hushar bra thaki bole laga janashe report laga hisab te joy ola do hoile forest wildlife public property ke bishi noksan guri di idui noigena manu laga life or environment ge bi bishi khadara banai di gushe edu karne office institution pusti ward landowner farmers original public kan ge tai khambra dia laga guidelines toile pal ba follow kuribole laga janashe May 2023 de Manipur de Chamala Olabra Nijola Kor Charigana Wapas Chabona Parigana Relief Camp de Kimanda Thekiase Edu Khange Resettlement or Rehabilitation Gribo Kane Manipur State Government Canberra Rupees 523 crore do ele sanction Grishi Gusha Home Department laga senior officials Canberra Guasiki Resettlement do ele Tinda stage bra Thakibo Gusha First phase te do hele kun families kan la kor olapi damage hoshe ta kan first kuri dibo goshe second phase te idu do hele special package takibo goshe PMAY chi laga scheme under de ta kan ge kor kan bi banai digana takibo goshe third stage te hele do in the district relocation ekta district pra ekta district te jabule laga kan karne takibo goshe ta kan ge do infrastructure development aro security arrangement kan bi kurigena thakibo goshe Mizoram de Assam Rifles kan bra rupees 29.4 cr laga trucks turishe aro ekta trucks peddler ke bi arrest kurishe koina trusted de janashe defense spokesperson bra gushe ke Assam Rifles kan ge narcotic trafficking laga khopor ba laga hisab te afternoon de Zimabak area Aizawl district te operation ekta launch kurishe aro gari ekta de intercept kurigena 9.8 kg laga methamphetamine tablet tai laga price to ele 29.4 cr laga tagishe koshe drugs to ele gari laga tire bithor de logai kana tagishe hoile bi sniffer kutta bra edu drugs to ele turubole parishe ase sis kura laga saman aro gari aro manu do hoile narcotic control bureau de legal actions lobo karne takan ge handover kuri dishe ase Chhattisgarh de Pangri dia laga Communist Party of India Maoist laga 52 sabai khan doile security force khan logo de surrender gurishe ase 21 doile maiki thagishe aro 31 doile mota khan thagishe tai khan ge rehabilitation program ekta thagi kana tai khan ge 1.41 crore doile reward dishe ase January 2024 ra lui gena hidia dag 824 sabai khan doile surrender gurishe aro 1126 Maoist ke arrest gurishe aro 223 Maoist khan doile encounter bra murai dishe kwala bi janai di ase Indian Defense Minister Rajnath Singh bra joagali guishe ki India khan bra operation Sindhu conduct kora doile khatam hoa nai guishe terrorism laga ideology khatam noha dak toile India kan sandi karni continue chai thakibo gushe defense minister braharu gushe ki terrorist laga khilaf te action loa toile ekdam careful bra planning guri kana kurishe ido karni operation sinjo do hoile khali military operation karni hi yat nukribo hoile bi symbols of courage ase gushe Nagaland Foothill Road Coordinations Committee khan bra care mohol dimapur de meeting ekta rakhena alag resolution adopt krise committee ba press release te kushi ke PWD division laga kimanda work order bagi kena ase dudoile chulde issue kuri dibole laga state government ke demand krise aro SASCA loan scheme laga under de 2 lane laga second phase banai ase dudoile open tender process hobo lage kusha Committee bra NBWD Road and Bridge Department gebi janai dishe ki Bedi Division laga under de 5 bridge banai ase edu laga concern contractor khan ge steel structure material doile issue kuribole laga bi janasha Committee khan bra aro Lota Apex Body khan bra edu inspection kuribole laga initiative loa laga opor de cooperate aro acknowledge kuribo kusha aji laga news to himande wind up kuri di ase jeti kumba manu notun sai thakile subscribe kuribole naparibe like aro share bi kuri dibi koina request kuri di ase thank you